In this video, we're going to talk about the PhotoTag Connector software. PhotoTag Connector allows you to connect to the PhotoTag service running in the cloud and download your photos to a local machine, whether that's a PC running Windows or MacOS or even a Linux box. The PhotoTag Connector software will download and optionally delete the photos as they're downloaded, and it can also create folders based on the tags, so that if you have you're taking photos of something with a work order, for example, and you want all these photos in the same folder, then that will be the case. Okay, let's switch over here now to installing the PhotoTag Connector software. You may need to uninstall it first if you're doing an upgrade, so that would be done this way by using the -U, but we're going to be using -I to install the software. But first, let's go over here to our configuration file and edit that with Notepad. You can see the path here. We're using /, and that's preferred within the configuration file. Deleting cloud photos is false. It can optionally be true. And we are going to create tag folders, so folders based on those green tag values. That's set to true. We've got an API key here, but it's old, so we're going to delete that and go over here to our PhotoTag instance, go to the admin section, and create an API key. That API key we're going to call demo, and we're going to give it a role of photo editor, which will allow both adding and deleting of photos. And click save. So we now have our API key, and we'll copy that. Go back over to Notepad, and we will paste it. Oops, got the cursor in the wrong spot here. And save. All right. We'll go back over to this window now here where the downloads are. Actually, I'll delete that for now, and we will copy. Let's look at the files that are there. Copy PhotoTag, all of that over to Windows, System 32. And then we can do a -I to install it. Install was successful. You'll now see that over in the services, the PhotoTag Connector service. Before I start it, I'm going to show you the folder here, the demo folder. So this is the location we put in the configuration file of where the pictures are going to be stored. So I'll go ahead and start the service, and it started up, and you can see this folder is being quickly populated with the photos from the demo instance of PhotoTag, and this is where your photos will go as well. The photos that do not have a tag but only have a category will be stored right here in the base folder. So let's go over and take a look at that. I guess I should say they may not have a category at all either. For example, here's an image that has neither a tag or category, and that went into that base folder. You can now go to the event viewer and the application Windows log, and you'll see the PhotoTag Connector service there is putting information within the log telling you what photos have been downloaded. If you see any sort of problem, you can look in this log for warnings or errors that will show what might be the problem. And then you can contact us at support@sdgsystems.com in order to ask us about the problem that you might be experiencing. Again, this is the PhotoTag Connector service. You can learn more by going to sdgsystems.com/phototag.